Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, you are going to learn how to hard reset your Sky Streambox Puck. Factory reset and troubleshooting guide for Sky Stream. Method 1. Restart the Sky Stream Puck. Soft reset. Step 1. Press the home button on your Sky remote. Step 2. Go to settings. Step 3. Open system management. Step 4. Select restart device. Step 5. Wait for the Sky Stream Puck to reboot. Method 2. Hard reset or recovery mode reset. Step 1. Turn off the SkyStream puck at the wall socket. Step 2. Press and hold the standby button on the bottom of the puck. Step 3. While still holding the button, switch the power back on. Step 4. Keep holding until the LED lights begin flashing different colors. Step 5. Release the button. Step 6. Allow up to 15 minutes for the recovery process to complete. Step 7. Follow the on-screen setup instructions when the device restarts. Thanks for watching the video. Do like, comment and share the video. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon.